Okay guys, today is big little reveal. I'm with Katie Mack and we're starting this vlog kind of early because we're actually meeting one of the girls who's gonna be in our family that we've never met before right now. But we can't vlog because then she'll know. But if I get any
maybe we'll like sneak. We'll sneak.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We'll be like stalkerish about it.
Maybe I should put a jacket on. That might make it cuter.
Are you cold?
I'm kind of cold. It was kind of cold though.
Do I have my phone? Yeah, okay. Anyway, Katie's little, Hallie, is my grand little. She's taking twins. So I've met one of the twins, Alicia, and then we're meeting the other twin, Nessa, right now. And we're taking her out to breakfast. And we're trying not to be like obvious that she's in our family.
Welcome to the craziness of this town.
But I'm really excited. Tonight we're going ice skating as our big little reveal. And our shirts and our themes are really cute. We're gonna go to Merkai right now and get avocado toast. When you're a senior during reveal week, you get to have an owl pal, like a girl from the new PC, and take them on dates. So Katie's taking her owl pal and then Nessa's my owl pal.
I want dinner tonight.
Yeah, what do you want to make?
Chicken rice. I have a ton of veggies.
Okay.
I have chicken.
I have a lot of veggies too.
I have a ton of veggies and they're gonna go bad.
Do you want to do like a teriyaki?
No, I want to do the one that we did that one time with Lucy.
And allude to loose. Yeah, let's do it. Go check out Katie's YouTube channel. She just posted a video.
Stop.
And it's really funny.
It's just so random.
It's very us. It's from our traveling adventures in LA.
Trying not to give him the time of day. It's easier said than done.
Look where we are. She's so annoyed with me. How you doing, Katie Mack?
I hate the doctor. I mean, I love doctors.
So, we're back from the doctor with Katie Mack. She got the drugs that she needed. Meanwhile, while Katie works on her essay, I'm going to be juicing because she doesn't really feel well and we haven't been eating up to our current health standards, so we're gonna try to up our game here and juice some veggies. Our owl pal date was very fun and now we're back ready to juice. I haven't done this in forever. We're gonna make a couple different... It's really loud out here, but my apartment still smells like the soup that I made last night, so I'm trying to like air it out. We're gonna do a green juice and then potentially like a red juice with carrot. I'll show you guys the setup of what we do. So here we have all the ingredients for our first juice. I'm making a huge batch, that's why I'm juicing it into the bowl, and I'm doing a whole stalk of celery. I think this is 2.5 lemons, a ton of ginger, and 1 big green apple plus 2 mini ones. And hopefully that'll make a lot of juice, so let's see what we get out of this. Also, I kind of wanna make a juicing video, so if you guys would be interested in me talking about juicing or doing like a one-day juice cleanse, because I don't really know how healthy it is to do it for more than one day because I need to actually eat food with substance in it. Let me know if you guys want that. Let's juice. All right, now we just gotta stir it up. We actually made a really good amount. Oh, that's really good. We're just gonna divide this. I'm running kind of late trying to get out the door, but I just gave Katie her juice and she was FaceTiming Hallie and talking about how they're gonna try to trick Nessa and Alicia. Sorry, Nessa and Alicia, because you're probably gonna be fooled. I think they're a bit too confident right now, so we're trying to trick them a little bit and then it'll be even more exciting when they find out. Okay, so here's our update. Hallie sent the really sad text that she's not Nessa's big, and Nessa replied with like literally the most heartwarming thing. So now we feel bad for pranking her. In addition, we had Katie write their secret notes tonight, so hopefully they won't be able to tell because her handwriting's different. It's currently almost 3.
Are you driving?
It's almost 4. I'll drive. We're gonna go pick up some big little props because I printed out a photo to rip in half for them to hold like the movie. I still haven't told you guys our theme. I'll just say what it is. Parent Trap. If you guys have ever seen that movie, they have like lockets, so I made lockets and put our little faces in it. And then we have the photos that we have to rip. Hence us going to Walgreens right now. Which is now dinner time. If you guys are real fans of the vlog, you'll remember that I got this for Katie last Christmas. I'm working on a bunch of stuff for exec right now. I can't decide which one we should use. If we should use this one and tear it in half, or if we should use this one.
Wait, why are you tearing it in half?
Because it's like the Parent Trap. They put the photos together of the family. So
I
I'm
think
like,
we should do this one.
Hallie, show us the shirts.
All 5 of them.
Oh.
This one is not cropped, it's just folded in half.
They're the camp t-shirts. We're gonna insert the photo of what we're going for right here. I think we should rip both and then you choose which one you want to use. To make it kind of janky. Oh,
Sorry, Katie.
What?
I ripped your eye out.
Whose?
No one's.
Whoa. Mine?
Definitely not yours.
Not yours.
Wait, this one's pretty
This
good.
one's perfect. They're trying on their outfits. Well, that's because we're going ice skating. This is our last family dinner as a family of 3. Should I use this fork?
I'm nervous though. What if they don't like us?
What if they don't like us? I'm excited. I'm excited about our little lockets. This one's yours.
What if they don't want us?
I mean, they could return us. Look, that's a picture of the 3 of us in this tiny little locket.
Oh my goodness. That's so funny.
She's being crowned. Aww. Oh, should we write on their bags? How our reveal works is that puts bags in the coffee bar and then they have their names on it and they have to put on the shirts that match us.
So when will the twins find out that they're...
They'll probably find out pretty fast because they're gonna
Are
be
you
in
putting
all
your
the
back?
Katie's notes, she wrote.
Yeah,
like,
go find your twins. They're gonna know
They've talked about
as soon as they see each other. They're gonna be like, "Oh, okay, Hallie's the big."
No.
Really?
Because we told Nessa no, and in the note I say I'm Alicia's, I've never met you.
Yeah, and she says, but they don't know. They know we've been lying a little. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm nervous.
We have all of our props. We brought options. Guys, I lost my family in this house. I can't find them. Wait, where'd you guys go? I lost you.
We're going to Hallie's room right
Oh, okay, that's where I am. Oh! Are you guys excited? She's getting amped up. Yeah. Hot. Mom duty. You see them? You see them? Katie Mac's going through pictures. I don't even know if we formally introduced. This is Nessa. This is Alicia. Hi. We're going ice skating. That's the tea. How does it feel to be a new mom?
Fun fact, I actually have, like, my dream is to have twins.
Really?
Yeah, in real life.
What's your dream combo?
A girl and a boy.
She met a new friend.
Dude, he looks so.
Yeah, you guys look alike. You guys look like you could hang out. Oh my god. I can't tell if Katie's in a winter environment or ready to like go exploring. That's the point. I feel like we should go out. Yeah. Where's our fam?
Alicia's a hockey player.
Yeah, Alicia's just lacing Trinity up. Did you know T1 used to go ice skating? And I didn't know this fact because we weren't friends when we came for our big little reveal. I'm gonna like face I fall too much. I don't believe you. Okay, Ashta, bring it home.
Fine, I'm gonna eat it.
I haven't gone in forever. Kelly, do some tricks for the vlog. Come on. Do some stuff. Yeah, Kelly. Oh! Yeah, Kelly, your turn. This is our talented family. Hallie could do all the flips, and now Alicia can do all the skating.
Yo, what was that girl's name again? Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan. Oh!
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose you. Yeah, never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too?
Oh my god, I almost died. That was bad.
But then she gonna sit, it's all good, I'll be good, I'll be chillin' now. Got a big fucking booty, can you stick it out?
We're back. We've quite a few adventures. We went to the dorms, we met some people, now we're here. We went to Doko, we went to Dairy Queen. Now we're on Katie's couch. Yeah, we woke up T1. Now we're here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Welcome to the family. Nessa, Alicia, and Brendan, and Trinity is technically in this as well. What should they comment? Comment if you understand our costume.
Have you seen our siblings?
Yeah, do it.
And how many?
Yeah, comment if you have a twin. Any twins out there?
I have a
No, you don't. Did you 8 your twin? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night